Moving on now to some updates from Nepal, where Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli appealed for global help as the country battles a surge in coronavirus cases. Oli, who lost confidence vote in Nepal's House of Representatives on Monday, made the appeal in an opinion piece published in the UK daily Guardian. Nepal's Prime Minister has sought global aid, including oxygen kits, critical care equipment, vaccines and life-saving drugs. He said that the increase in the number of infections poses a serious challenge to the country's citizens and its entire health service system. Oli also wrote that the pandemic is pushing the nation to its limits. The number of infections is straining the healthcare system and that it has become tough to provide patients with hospital beds. On Tuesday, Nepal reported 9,317 fresh coronavirus cases. The country hit its highest single-day spike for a second consecutive day. It also reported 225 deaths in 24 hours. Nepal has recorded more than 8,000 cases daily since May 5th. The total cases in Nepal now stands at 403,794. For more insights into the situation in Nepal, our correspondent Saloni Murarka has sent us this report. Take a look.
As Nepal is battling the deadly second wave of coronavirus, the Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli is seeking international help. Writing to one of the UK-based publications, he said that Nepal is overwhelmed with the rising number of coronavirus cases in Nepal and is in need of international help. He mentioned how the country, with only 30 million population, is witnessing over 8,000 coronavirus cases regularly. While mentioning about the government's actions taken so far to fight the pandemic, he said the government is doing its best to treat and control the infections, but is unable to do that due to the lack of resources and infrastructure. He further appealed to the international community to help Nepal with COVID vaccines, with equipment and medicines. Later, the Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli also talked about how the UK and Nepal share a very strong bilateral relationship and how the UK could gather international support for Nepal to fight the pandemic. It should be noted that just 2 days back, Oli, to one of the US media houses, said that the COVID situation in Nepal is under control. Well, Nepal on Tuesday also reported over 9,000 coronavirus cases and highest death cases so far. Saloni Murarka for WION World is One in Lahan, Nepal.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.